Hi, this is Charlotte with CES Real Estate School, and I'm dropping by just to give you guys an update on our upcoming live Zoom classes that I have planned. So I'm going to have a weekend session. That'll be Saturday mornings. That starts on September 15th. Saturday mornings will meet from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. So the Saturday morning session is 4 hours. It runs a little longer because I need to at least have 4 hours a week for you guys since we're only going to do a 5-week session. So yes, that's right. So this pre-licensing course is a 5-week session. You will meet either Tuesday, Thursday mornings from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. for 5 weeks, or you'll meet Saturday mornings for 5 weeks for 4 hours. You can pick one or the other. Now, once we get going, once class starts, I will be teaching, of course, the principles of real estate. I will be highlighting the 7 categories that is covered on the California Real Estate License Exam. So, real estate. So, the 5 weeks, you will go through the book. You will have homework assignments that you will need to complete once a week for 5 weeks. And it will be my job to pull out the necessary information that you need from those chapters that's covered on the real estate exam. You'll get to ask me questions. We will go over terms. We will go over some of the practice questions for that course. And at the end, you will earn 45 credit hours towards your pre-licensing requirement. In October, I will come back and I will start teaching the practice of real estate. So we will spend another 5 weeks, same time schedules, same 7 key areas, but now we're going to start talking about the practice of real estate as it pertains to those 7 key areas: agency, contracts, valuation, fair housing. So we'll talk about that, and I'll be positioning it to you again relative to the California real estate exam. You'll know how to answer those questions after you've spent time with me in class. Lastly, the last course that I will teach will be the legal aspects of real estate. So that is the last 5-week session, ending up the 15 weeks together. Same thing, 45 credit hours that you will earn at the end of the course. And then you will also know how to answer questions as it pertains to the legal aspects of real estate. So you spend 15 weeks for me from September until the end of December, and you'll earn 135 credit hours, which would satisfy your pre-licensing education requirement. And then you're going to roll straight into applying for your real estate exam, and you will be ready because we will have spent 15 weeks preparing for the California real estate exam. So 7 areas. I'm going to talk about them consistently, but in 3 different categories: principles, practice, and law. We'll go over test questions for each one, and hopefully at the end you'll have it together and you'll be ready. If you're in my class, you will be ready. Now, I'm going to do my part. You're going to have to do your part. That's keeping up with the reading assignments, making sure you do your homework during the week, and be prepared for our live sessions. So if you haven't signed up, you have time. The deadlines they're rapidly approaching, but you have time. They are on the 6th and the 10th, depending on what session you sign up for. That is the 6th of September or the 10th of September, depending on what session you sign up for: Tuesday, Thursday, or Saturday mornings. Don't wait till the last minute because I have to get your textbooks to you. So the sooner you sign up, the sooner I can get your textbooks to you. I'm looking forward to seeing you on Zoom, and I'm looking forward to hearing the good news once you pass that real estate exam. So sign up today. You can sign up on our website at www.cesrealestateschool.com. If you have questions, give me a call. My number is 510-223-2636. Or lastly, you can email me at admin@cesrealestateschool.com. Don't delay. Sign up today.